In this video, I want to show my little work. This is my Samsung desktop. So you can see everything in here. I also have some video games, which is amazing. This is 3DS, and this is 9 point. I want to show you the Linux system, which I have right now. I want to show you I have two systems. One is Debian, the other is Ubuntu. So let me start my system. Okay, and this system I use the VNC, which is the local viewer for VNC, and here is a localhost connection. So let's go to here. Right now, you can see I have the full desktop. This is my Samsung desk. This is Linux. So let me open. Oops. The screen becomes small. I expect it will become bigger. It's okay. Let me do this again. Close. Then open, because I think my resolution already set to the 1920 versus. Okay, now I'm back. So here I have the many applications like LibreOffice, media, internet, clone. Let me open Clone for you. Clone runs very well. So can I play video? Let's open the YouTube. Okay.
Want to stand out online?
You can see
go to wix.com.
everything works perfectly.
As a matter of fact, this is a dark time. A pandemic is killing us.
Okay. Let's click it. Because the next I want to show you another system, Ubuntu, in my Samsung Note. So let me start Ubuntu system. Okay, but this time I don't want to connect to VNC server. For comparison, I want to connect to here XSDL. So first thing, I want to check the resolution and the font scale. Everything looks good. Okay, let me go back to my Tumis. So, oh, I forgot I should use the one. This is server, so I need to connect to this server here. I already write down in here. So copy paste. Okay, let's paste. You might know in VNC I use the Awesome Windows Manager, but in here I use the different system. It's XFCE. It took some time, but it's okay, because I think this is not original system. I modify a little bit. So I also have a programming web browser and some media player. So let me open web browser as well. So let's see, can I watch YouTube? I know everyone like to watch YouTube, so let's check YouTube. Okay, YouTube looks good right now. Still a little bit slow, but But I think it's better than VNC. It just I run two systems, so that's why it's right now it's slowed down.
That I am here tonight is a testament to the dedication of generations before me. For that victory, we're still prohibited from voting long after its ratification. But they were undeterred. Without fanfare or recognition, they organized and testified and rallied and marched and fought, not just for their vote, but for a seat at the table. These women and the generations that followed worked to make democracy and opportunity real in the lives of all of us who followed. They paved the way for the trailblazing leadership of Barack Obama and Hillary Clinton. And these women inspired us to pick up the torch and fight on.
He actually told us,
Women like Mary Church Terrell, Mary Floyd Bethune, Fannie Lou Hamer, and Diane Nash, Constance Baker Motley.
In this context, former President Obama took a message to Philadelphia, the place of our founding, the founding of a democracy. And he gave a grave moment, a grave message. He called out Trump by name,
we're not often
and Trump
taught
issued
their stories.
Furious
but as Americans, we all stand on their shoulders.
The question for us now is,
and there's another
did
one
Trump's tweets
whose name isn't known,
Obama's case
whose story
against
isn't
Jeremy
shared?
Diamond joins
Another
us
woman
now. He was tweeting in real
whose
time.
shoulders I stand on.
I have three.
And that's my mother.
He was, and that just tells you that he was watching this speech as he has been many others this week. But this speech perhaps, Chris, hit home for the president more than any other because the president and former President Obama have had this kind of ongoing relationship, a push and pull, if you will, that kind of defines this moment that we find ourselves in American history. You know, President Trump rose to power in many ways in contrast, in direct contrast to former President Obama. In fact, many of the president's aides still tell me today that they believe that former then President Obama's speech in 2011 at the White House Correspondents' Dinner, where he mocked then President Donald Trump openly, was one of the reasons that helped push some Trump to run for president. So there has been this push and pull, and there is no question that President Obama gets under President Trump's skin, perhaps like no other. And what we saw from the president this evening was responding in a way that is natural to him, and that was going to Twitter, all caps, airing their grievances, and of course, airing a series of falsehoods and conspiracy theories. Let's begin with the first one, Chris, which was this notion, the president tweeting in all caps again, I campaign plan got caught. Both of those statements patently false by the president here. There is no evidence linking President Obama to surveillance or spying on President Trump's campaign, and he certainly didn't get caught because, of course, there was nothing illegal that President Obama did. Of course, the president here seems to be referring to that counterintelligence investigation that did look into the Trump campaign and connections with Russia. And as we saw just this week, of course, in the Senate Intelligence Committee's report, which is a Republican-led panel that shows that Paul Manafort, one-time President Trump's campaign chairman, was sharing internal polling.
Let me close. Okay, so let's move from this to www. Yeah, I already customized all desk. So this is my desk. Oh, I like Ocean a lot. This is very light and runs smoothly in my Samsung system. If I didn't open the two systems, I can run perfectly. So let me check the programming VS Code. Remember, I use the ARM64 architecture. This is Snapdragon 855. It's powerful, but right now we have a Note 20. I doubt the Note 20 will do a better job. I think it can do better job, but I don't think it can do a great job. because this is just they use the CPU, they don't use the GPU here, because I didn't root my phone and I don't know can I use the GPU or not. So I can open my Jupyter notebook, no problem. You can see the old Jupyter notebook, a little bit slow, but it's okay. This is the class note when I study for my master degree in operations research. So it's not connected. I don't know why. Let me connect it to here. So. Oh, here is connected, but okay, right now it's connected. You can see the graph is good, and I can run. Actually, I can open new one. Okay, let me close. Don't save. Let me open the new one. Open new blank. Okay, let's wait a little bit because I opened too many Jupyter notebook. Okay, print hello world. Okay, everything looks good, and okay, it amazed me by this functionality because I already installed the pyomo. You can see the software here. I solved a small problem. Raise yellow. Okay, I can run. Also wrong. No problem. So can I run here? Yes, I think I can. And I already installed the GLPK because I don't know how to install the CPLEX in Linux with the ARM system. So you need to remember the ARM system is totally different from x64, x86. The architecture is different. So let me run this. Yep, I got the answer. Looks nice. Okay, maybe in the future I will show you how to run Baha in Python Baha in my Samsung Note. Some people might argue that you can just use the like a PyDraw 3, run some machine learning stuff or draw some picture, but I just want the full desktop system, which I can switch back and forth pretty good. And okay, let me open. Okay, let's see. Let me open the Office. And I also fix the Chinese input problem. So right now I use the so oops. You see, looks very good. You need to do some modification for this system. That way you can have the whole system. Okay, I think that will be all. Let me close.